show you how to edit this free site that you're getting. It's pretty much set up design wise for you. This will be universal to your needs. It's currently set up for a gym. And I'll show you how to change it to fit your business model or type. So as you can see, it's set up for a gym, CrossFit specifically. And I'll show you how to change this up a little bit. So we'll go in here. If the video does seem kind of slow, that's because my computer does run slow when I'm running a video. But I will show you how to set this up for yourself. So what I've done is went under settings and then selected background. And right now this has an image for the background. I'm going to get rid of that. And as you can see, it goes white. And I'm going to try to set this first one up for a lawn care or construction company. I'm going to make this quick just for the purpose of showing you how this is done. So I went and selected another image. If you want to buy some images, there's Unsplash that's free. And then stock photos. You're probably going to want to get stock photos because you want it to look nice. So investing in some images would be good. You can get those at shutterstock.com. So I've copied this image address. I'm going to paste it in here and get us a new background for our lawn care. And I have it set for full center fit. You can change that up however you want it to be. And that is how we'll change our background. Now, if we were going to do construction, I'll pull up a construction image just to show you kind of what we would be looking at there for background. If I remember, we'll go back to this grass one. Do this here so I can pull up my image again. Whoop. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a new grass image. But you know, if we change our background here, this is obviously too big of an image there, so we want to adjust that so that it appears the way it should be on the site. This is a terrible example, but if you get a stock image, you're going to have a lot better resolution, so you will definitely have a nice pop effect to it. So we'll go back here and grab this lawn image. And we'll set this up to do lawns. Show you how to get customers really quick doing this. Okay, so now we've got a new background, so we'll go ahead and we'll save this. And something that you can do here is change up this logo. You know, you can add some scarcity is what this is called when you say that it's limited time offer. Helps people take action faster. I'm going to, for the purpose of this video, get rid of this here for now. And then I will actually should have deleted that whole section. I'll pause this for a minute, get myself caught up here. Okay, that's better. I've got myself back to where I wanted to be. The lag in the computer does slow it down quite a bit. I'm doing this. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take this over here. You can just drag and drop it. Normally when you're doing this on your computer, it's going to go a lot faster. So we're going to start building our offer for our lawn care. See if we can get some lawn care customers. So a good way to do it is to personalize your greeting. So we will go, hey, Cozy Town residents. Take $20 off your first grass cut with us. Come down here, change this text up a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and touched this up because the computer was lagging. It probably took me, I don't know, we'll say generously a half hour. I believe it was probably like 15 minutes. So what I've done here is edited this to make it for lawn care. And I've put in an opportunity here to place a video in there if we could get a couple customers or a customer to give you a testimonial. You know, that's a great way to grow your business, is offering, you know, discounts for those. A lot of people do free work just to get a video testimonial because it's an actual person's, you know, talking. And then you can put reviews down here or something to help build a little trust in your company or something, or maybe more quotes or something. You know, so that's what we've got right now. We'll look at how this looks, and then I'll show you in case you're going, well, I don't have customers yet, or I don't have testimonials, or I don't have reviews yet. One of the things you can do, I'll show you here to help with that situation. So this video is obviously for the fitness one we had. You know, the customer is going to get there, they're going to see that this is what's going on, hit that button, you're going to get their name, email address, and phone number for the voucher. That'll be set up to automatically send to them. And then we say we would really like to earn your business, and we believe we can. That is why we are giving away $20 off vouchers to the first 25 people. And then we've got a big, nice call to action button here. And then, you know, like I said here with this, you can do as you wish there. You know, you could even add your Facebook profile or something on there if you wanted to. But let's say you don't have this kind of stuff going on for you. So what we'll do here is we're going to trim this up a little bit, and we're still going to get the same result, because the reason these things work is because they're targeted. They're not a website that's full of a lot of information. They're a targeted offer, a single offer that's gonna get people to take action on that offer. So because we don't have any customers yet, this is what we're up against. We got no way we can leave a testimonial on there because we'd be lying. So what we'll do here is we'll come in here and we will go over here. And we will make that corner rounded on the bottom so it looks a lot better there. And then we can adjust this if we need to center it in the page or whatever we need to do. I think that looks pretty good, pretty self-explanatory what we're doing here. This is going to convert like crazy and going to help you build a list of customers and prospects that you'll be able to follow up with email leads or email series, offering discounts or sales. You'll be able to offer, growing your page on Facebook by having people like and share stuff in exchange for discounts and things like that. So I really want to encourage you to go ahead and take this free template that I've set up for you and set up one offer for your business, something that you think would do well or that you would like to see do well. And then I'd say set this up and start sharing your link on Facebook and to your friends and have them go here and see how many of them take that voucher. How many people opt in. And the important thing is this is the same thing that Home Advisor and Thumbtack does to charge a contractor $35 to $45 for a lead that isn't a targeted lead, isn't a guaranteed sell like it would be if we did the advertising that I'll show you in the free membership that I offer for people that do take advantage of this offer. And you will see people will convert on that. So, and your cost per lead is going to be tremendously lower than what it is through Home Advisor or Thumbtack. I just want to show you. Okay, so we'll call that a finished example there. So you've seen how I did that. Pretty easy. It's not real hard. You can't really mess it up. So just do what you do with it. But I want to show you what Home Advisor looks like for contractors. Notice something right away. Same thing we're pushing right here is the same thing they're pushing right here. Right away they're jumping in there and saying, what do you need? Because they're going to start building their list by you answering these questions. So Home Advisor, this is how they build their list to get leads to send to you. Thumbtack, same thing. Find local professionals for pretty much anything. Look at how basic this page is. It's completely white. There's hardly anything on there because they want your attention focused right here, so that they can start building their list. They don't care if you get down here or not. They're excited about you being up here and you saying, oh, I can look up a handyman in this area and search it. And as I start giving it more information, it's going to start asking information from me so that it can build this list and send it out to all these people. So the important thing is what you need to realize is you can do a lot better in your business by setting up one of these little 1 or 2 page sites for a product or service than you will paying any lead generation service, because you can do it yourself. You can also set yourself up to advertise on Facebook. And like I said, there's some material in there in the membership that will help you with Facebook ads. So that's basically how you edit your template. Sorry the computer lagged so long and it ran a little bit longer, but in 15 minutes you can be up and running basically.